can I show you how to play the guitar riff that appears in Wipeout by the Surfaris on the guitar in under 20 seconds? Well, probably not, as it takes over 20 seconds to play the whole thing just the once, but let's have a go. Can I show you how to do it in under 20 seconds? Let's see.
Oh, hey, you're a guitarist, just like me. Well, hit follow.
Start the clock. Right, we're going to start off with a little pickup. Okay, it's going to be 9 on the 5th string and then a 7, 8 on the 4th string. We're going to start with that, and then bar number 1 starts here. We're going to play a fret 9 on the 4th string, 9, 9, 9, 9, and then we have a 7 on the same string, going to a 9, 9 on the 5th string, 7, 8, and we're going to do that a further 2 times. And then one more time. Then it's going to be suggested that we're doing the same thing again. But this time stay on the string, 9, 9, move on to the 3rd string, 7, 8. We now do the riff on these on this string. So that should be fairly easy to follow. We then jump to the 5th string, 9, and then on the 4th string, 7, 8, and then we're back to our original riff. Now this time, we're going to stop there, okay? We jump over a string, we go to the 3rd string, we have a 7, 9. We then go all the way up to fret 11 on the 3rd string, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Then we go to 11 on the 4th string, and then 11 on the 3rd string. Then we go down 2 frets, 9, 9, 9, 9, 7, and then 9 on the 4th string, jumping to 9 on the 5th string, 7, 8, there's our little pickup on the 4th string, and then to finish we have back on the 4th string, 9, 9, 9, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. So that was 9 on the 5th string, back on the 4th string, 7, 9, 7, and we're now on the offbeat going to be playing a fret 9 on the 5th string 3 times. Whew, that's the whole thing. Right, so all together we have this. That's once round, 2nd time, the 3rd time, and the 4th time. Changes here. Now the offbeats. So good luck with that, and follow me.